You're on your way to your Michelin Star.
See, look, you made me nervous and I joked them off. Meet Chef Latisha Daring.
Hi, I'm Latisha Daring. I'm the owner of Greedy Kitchen and Greedy Vegan, located here in Brooklyn. I really wanted to create a space where, as a community, we could really dialogue and really talk about our relationship with food as a community, and really talk about the things challenges that we have in terms of our health and our wellness. And a lot of times people don't understand that what they consume actually can be to their detriment. And so here at Greedy, we wanted to create a fun community environment where, families can come, elders can come, and really indulge in food that is good for them. Whole food, real food.
As an athlete, being on the road so much, I miss a lot of my home cooked meals, especially breakfast. And going through your menu, I see a lot of things that I like. So what can we prepare today?
Well, I gotta tell you, breakfast is one of my favorite meals of the day. So we win in here. Today we prepared a Beyond Meat and walnut chorizo with avocado toast.
All sound very good to me because I'm very hungry.
You better be hungry.
I am. Ingredient-wise, what do we need? What do we have here? How do you do this?
Okay, well, this is pretty simple. Black pepper, sea salt, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, fresh chives, and cilantro.
Oh, that sounds pretty good to me. I'm starving. This looks great. I can't wait to get started.
Great. I want to see what your knife skills look like. You ready to chop
I'm gonna
up some
stay away from
things?
the knife. I'll go more sous chef role today and let you kind of get some practice in.
All right.
But I'm
Because I need the practice. So how long have you been vegan?
I've been plant-based for 3 years now. Yeah, and one day cold turkey, I just was like, this is what I'm doing,
And that was it.
Yeah, it's been great for me ever since, and being able to eat stuff like this only makes it better.
Right.
For me. Yeah.
So what are the locker room conversations like? Do you get clowned for not having enough protein in your diet?
At the beginning, I got a lot of questions about that. Like,
Yeah.
how are you gonna do this? You a professional athlete, not eating meat? What, but then, after you educate yourself a lot on what you're putting into your body and where the protein is actually coming from, it was an easy decision for me. And then also environmentally, being able to take care of our planet for not only ourselves, but our children and their children and so on. I just wanted to be able to have some kind of impact on us bettering our environment. And then also being able to grow what you cook and eat is, I think, awesome.
Absolutely.
Yeah. A typical breakfast for me is probably some kind of just egg scramble or burrito or something. And I'm a big, obviously, Beyond guy, so we'll have some Beyond sausage either in or on the side. I love waffles, man.
Right. Are you a big nut? You like a lot of nuts?
I'm a fan.
Yeah?
I'm a fan.
Well, this is a lot of protein too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So what we do is a walnut chorizo.
Okay.
And one of the reasons why I really wanted to work with walnuts is because of the protein level. And ironically enough, nuts allow you to give them immense flavor because it's like a blank palette, right? So we soaked these overnight for 2 hours. We grinded them up in the food processor. And we're gonna mix that with a little bit of portobello and Beyond Meat sausage, just for some added fat and flavor. And we're gonna prepare it actually 2 ways. So chorizo typically is a Spanish sausage dish that can be eaten deconstructed or as a sausage.
Okay.
So today we're gonna do it 2 ways. We have it as a patty and we have it as a chorizo. All right? Just gonna slice that lemon in half and squeeze it over your avocado. I'm gonna let you use the knife twice.
What?
You're doing such a good job.
Oh my gosh. Into the avocado, right?
Yes.
Both of them?
But you wanna hold your finger underneath that lemon so you catch all the seeds and the seeds don't go into your avocado. So I see how you get down with the style.
Me?
You do that yourself or you get a little assistance? Who helps you get dressed?
I definitely need a little assistance for sure because I got this big body over here.
Yes.
Sorry. Gotta keep it clean.
Gotta keep it clean.
Yeah, I definitely have some help, but love the idea of being able to create something of your own. Just like you said with the walnuts, being able to, you know, you can season it as much as you want because it's kind of like a blank canvas.
Yeah.
And I feel that way about fashion and being able to create something from head to toe with your likings of whatever generation you want to put together or whatever inspirations, you can kind of combine things. And I think it's awesome to be able to see your art come together and however you feel in it makes it even better. So
how would you describe your personal style?
Ooh, man. I think,
while I get ready for your next job.
Oh, okay. I think, I'm a mixture. I like people like obviously Jimi Hendrix and Bob Marley, kind of like, you know, chill style, and some Walt Frazier, kind of Magic Johnson crazy stuff from back when they were playing. Keith Richards, guys like that, just I'm all over the place, honestly, and I think that being able to, like I said, bring many generations together and kind of, you know, put your own little flavor on it is it's cool.
Okay, I like it. Yeah. I like it. A nice eclectic mix, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
You gotta do it with some confidence. Put some elbow grease in it. There you go. You got it.
Y'all see that rhythm?
Even before cooking, I would definitely say that I'm a creative. So I like doing things in an unconventional way. I would not say that I am a specific type of chef. I think obviously my family's from the South, so my roots are Southern roots. So I definitely identify with soul food and comfort food. I think that's my approach to any dish that I prepare, but I like to mix it up. I like to play across cultures, especially. I've been to 26 countries. I love connecting through food with the culture. So I try to, you know, give my customers something exciting to look forward to. So what would you say, or where would you say you get the most protein in your diet?
Ooh, like I said before, I get my protein from just egg, Beyond Meat, a lot of beans, lentils, chickpeas, things like that. And then at times I'll have a shake substitute or something like that. But for the most part, I'm getting it from the foods that I'm eating, which is great. I don't have to think about where am I gonna get this protein from? Where am I gonna get things that I need to have energy to be able to play and then also maintain a healthy lifestyle.
All right, so we're gonna get started on the sausage part, right? Okay, so we have our walnuts, we have our portobello mushrooms, and we have our Beyond Meat sausage, right? So we're gonna dice up the Beyond Meat sausage. We've soaked our walnuts. We're gonna put them in the food processor and grind them up and combine all these flavors into a patty.
Ooh, okay.
Okay?
Right.
I also prepared it where it's a crumble. So you have a choice of how you want to eat it. You want to eat it as a crumble or a patty. Yeah. Options are always important. So.
Yeah. Stepping back into the fun zone, y'all. All right.
Take your time. It's not a race.
Oh, I am taking my time.
Take your time. There you go. You're doing great. You're on your way to your Michelin Star.
See, look, you made me nervous and I dropped them off.
I love portobellos too because they actually do give a meaty texture.
They do, yeah. That was one of the first things I was eating for a while. To have like a little meat substitute was the mushrooms. And first going into it, I was kind of like, oh man, this is not what I wanted to be.
Yeah.
But then after a while, it was great, and I would start having portobello mushroom sandwiches, burger, whatever it is, and a lot of it in the egg. So this is.
There you go.
All right.
That's a rough chop. That's what we call a rough chop.
That's a rough chop?
That's a rough
chop.
So
what's the other one? Just a regular chop?
They were all rough chops for you.
So I'm a rough chop master, if you guys didn't know this about me.
That's it.
Yeah, so, okay.
All right. So this is what you just created, right?
Yeah.
And so this is all of these things mixed together. And what we're gonna do is make them into patties, right? So you're just gonna take that into your hand, make it into a little ball, and we're gonna pop that right in our pan to pan fry it.
Okay.
Super easy, right? Awesome. So then we also are gonna have in our frittata, we have all of these amazing flavors with the scallions and the chili powder. And so with the walnut flavor, we added a little bit of liquid smoke. Okay. So all of those flavors combined is gonna knock out breakfast,
I'm
okay?
excited about that.
I am extremely excited to even be recognized by somebody like DeAndre. Obviously, our worlds are not in the same, but I am I grew up here in Brooklyn, and I'm a proud Brooklynite. And so the fact that we now have our own basketball team, that's huge, you know? Growing up as a little girl, never thought that would happen. But then to also transition my career and my life path to actually be in a different lane right now, doing something completely different than what I did most of my adolescent life, and have someone like DeAndre recognize our business, our food, and what we're doing here in Brooklyn is huge, and we're so excited and so grateful for the opportunity to be able to show the world what we do here at Greedy. Then you have your chorizo scramble, right? So we're gonna just put that on there.
Oh, that looks good.
Now I'm gonna just do a little.
Oh, I see what you did right there. I see what you did.
Okay. Give you a little bit more because you said you were hungry.
See, this is the type of share and care and love that you need in the kitchen right here. Just load you up with food.
That's it.
Good food and healthy food.
That's it. I'll give you 2 of those.
See?
And then would you do me the honors of doing that avocado toast?
You like a little avocado or?
I mean, it's that good fat. I say go big or go home.
See, that's what I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying? You come in here, avocado toast, your plate is just over full. Look at that. All right.
Cut that in half.
More of the cut. All right. Boom.
You good at this. You good at this.
Yeah, I mean, I just need a little bit more practice, but I think my knife skills have definitely overachieved today.
I think so too. I think so too. You got some plating skills.
Well, I mean, just presentation skills.
Okay, I love it.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah.
See, now you can't remember what it looked like because after this plate is gonna be clean, I'll tell you that. All right.
So we're gonna dig in.
I have to say, I did my thing again. Little chorizo. You know what? All of this together, you can't beat this. Thank you for this recipe because this is something that I would have thought would have been way, way harder. Just looking at the final,
Right.
you know, but it's easy, simple, you can do it quick, and then I can have a big pie to myself.
Exactly. You
So
can even prep this and freeze it and just use it as you need to.
Really?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is something that I'm definitely gonna keep with me and kind of add to my very, very, very small recipe book.
Yes.
If you guys are ever in Brooklyn, please go to Greedy Kitchen and get the mac and goodness and the po' boys, which I'm going to get probably today. Once again, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you. Everybody else does also. And yeah, I'm gonna keep eating this and keep saying. And thank you.
You're
I really appreciate it.
welcome.
Yes,
It's my
ma'am.
pleasure.